Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to transfer your music library from Google Drive to Stripe, follow these simple steps to understand what's possible between these platforms. Step 1. Understand that Google Drive is a cloud storage service, while Stripe is a payment processing platform. Stripe doesn't store or manage music libraries. Step 2. If you meant to transfer music from Google Drive to another platform, first sign in to Google Drive by going to drive.google.com and logging in with your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to the folder containing your music files in Google Drive. Step 4. To download your music library, select the files or folders you want to transfer by clicking on them while holding the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac. Step 5. Click on the three-dot menu icon and select Download to save the selected music files to your computer. Step 6. Once downloaded, you can upload these music files to other platforms like YouTube Music, Spotify for podcasters, or SoundCloud depending on your needs. Step 7. If you're looking to sell music or create a payment system for music downloads, you can use Stripe as a payment processor on your website, but you'll need to host the music files elsewhere. Step 8. Consider using platforms specifically designed for music distribution and sales that integrate with Stripe for payment processing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.